Something about you. Something about you. Something about you.
Hey pretties, it's your girl Kiamber. I'm sure you're new to my channel, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe. I'm a girl who's all about self-love and finding a way to be your own type of pretty. So my motto is be pretty, be you. Here on my channel, I'm going to be full of makeup advice, fashion advice, beauty advice, hair advice, all of that, having a good time, and just finding a way to be pretty in my own way. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for tuning in. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
Hey guys, I'm coming to you with a brow tutorial, starting off with a primer. So you're going to prime those brows. And then you're going to go in with a setting powder and set your brows. This keeps your brows from getting oily throughout the day. And you can use whatever setting powder you like. I'm using the one by Hard Candy. Check yourself out, girl. I see you. Then you're going to brush or dust off that excess powder and use a brow wax to make sure there's no hairs out of place. So I'm going in with my brow wax to just get those hairs in place. My brows look awful, but I guess that's the point. I don't know the last time I've had a wax. And now you're going to use an eyebrow pencil to go in and line the brows to get the shape that you would like. And I'm using a typical little pencil that came from the beauty supply store. Yeah, that shape is awful. But you can use whatever brow pencil you like. And bear with me, I know this looks awful so far, but you're going to use a brow powder, anyone that you like. Mine is by Salon Perfect. Or you can use a brow cream, brow gel, whatever you like. And you're going to make small hair strokes to fill in the brows to make them look full. I guess I'm not trusting the process either. Okay, you're going to go in with a concealer. I'm using the Pro Concealer here with a concealer brush, and the color I'm using is Cool Tan. I'm going to underline those horrid brows. To cover up all those little hairs, you want to use a lot of concealer if you haven't got a wax. And this is going to give you a smooth wax finish. And you're going to blend, 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 blend as much as you can with the brush, the concealer brush. After you blend as much as you can with the concealer brush, you're going to line the top. And you're going to try to get you the shape that you desire. And I'm starting to like it, and I think at this moment I was starting to like it too. And so you're just going to keep blending, honey. That's the name of the game, keep blending. And now you're going to use a beauty blender. A damp beauty blender does the job. So I'm, dampening up my beauty blender. And I'm going to blend it until it's a smooth finish and no excess concealer is left behind. Okay, around this step I've done all the blending I could do with the beauty blender. So now I'm going in to fill in the brows to make sure they're full and that I have tongue-tied, that I have the desired shape that I would like. I'm also fading in that front part because I don't like boxy brows at the front. So I'm going to fade it in so it's lighter at the front and then it gets a little darker towards the end of the brow. I'm going to repeat the process on my other brow, and if you continue to watch, you're going to see the finished result. So around this step, I'm going to go in with a unibrow technique so you can make sure that your brows are evenly lined up because I experienced a higher brow than the other one because of how they wax my brows when I get them waxed, and now it's kind of stuck that way. But I like my brows to be even, so I go in with that unibrow wax, and you're just going to bring the concealer together between both brows as if you have a unibrow. So right around here, I'm going to go ahead and line the top of my brow, and that's because one of my brows is thicker than the other one, and that is when I waxed it, they couldn't get it evenly for some reason. So this is what I deal with. I do know brows are supposed to be sisters and not twins, but sometimes I believe mine are cousins. And I hate it. But I'm just going to keep blending in with that damp beauty blender here and make sure that they come as close to the same size as possible. So I'm going back in to fill in that brow because it seems as if I've got the shape to almost match.
This brow tutorial. Again, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and of course subscribe because there is more to see. Stay tuned and always remember, be pretty, be you.